You got the stuff?
Yeah.
Is it soft and fresh?
Yeah, Bunny.
It's Buddy.
Whatever.
Where did you put my marshmallows?
Oh, I already sold them to Philip, man.
You were supposed to give them to me.
Well, I'll give them to you tomorrow, alright?
There's no shipment tomorrow.
I'll give them to you ASAP.
I'm gonna get those marshmallows from Philip no matter what it takes. Ha ha ha! Those are supposed to be my marshmallows.
Bro, that's not a gun, you idiot.
Oh, wrong thing.